pleased to show you all a fully working end-to-end Clockwise migration flow. So what we've got here is an account that is logged into Clockwise, as well as an account that's logged into Reclaim. The Clockwise account has a bunch of features active, and the Reclaim account does not, as you can see here. Nothing in any of these here. So what a user who's migrating should do is they should go to settings, and they'll find a new Clockwise import page that walks them through the steps. One of the things it highlights is that you need to export the data before you have turned off the features. If you have turned them off, we tell you should turn them back on. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and export. And now let's follow the rest of these steps. So I'll go ahead and turn off the ideal day feature, focus time, breaks, lunch, travel time. Okay. Then I'm going to go to the next step and do flexible meetings and holds. So here we go. And I'm going to come back over here and verify that all Clockwise features are done. Click the button below to check that Clockwise is no longer creating events on your calendar. It may take a few minutes. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's done. All right. And now I just need to import this. Here we go. This just takes a few seconds. And when it is complete, it will highlight all of what it did. It will call out if there are any issues with any of the imports. In particular, the flexible meetings could be a problem sometimes. And then just kind of sets expectations on how long it should take for events to start appearing on the calendar. So let's go back and look at the calendar. And what we can see is all those Clockwise events have disappeared. Same for Clockwise. So pause here for 1 minute so we can see what this looks like as things start to schedule. Oh, there they go. And as we can see, things are starting to fill in. And now the habits are getting scheduled. Buffer time's on, no tasks came in, meetings are there, and scheduling links. We do some stuff where we try to preserve both the individual link slugs as well as the user's slug as best as we can. I'm still working on group round robin links getting preserved. We do set the appropriate priorities for max availability versus flex time, and then by default we use this medium availability. So we try to preserve the slugs. If we cannot, because some other user already took them, then we'll just append a 1 or 2 or 3 afterwards. Anyway, that is the whole thing. If someone does try to come back into import, they'll be prompted to say, like, it looks like you've already run it again. If you've got concerns, reach out to support. Otherwise, you can try it again. But we hope they don't have to do that, and I hope it works great the first time. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.